Hello viewers, my name is Mar. I'm a blogger of this YouTube channel about kangaroos and wild animals of Australia. Above me I can hear a cocky singing. I haven't been at this location for 3 weeks. The meadow is still filled with beautiful pink, purple flowers. Stay tuned and I'm about to show you the beauty of this park, kangaroos and other wildlife. Thank you. But here they are, these noisy cockies. In Australia we call them cockies. Cockatoos is more official name. Look at these two beauties.